Hey, Beagle Man with the nose down. Oh, it's fine. Yay, good boy. Okay, you can park at the end there, Nancy. Okay, ready with Hestia? Yay, good girl. Look at that little face. Oh, so nice, Veronica. Very good. Yeah. Good boy, Dad. Yeah. Okay, you can be at the end of the line. Find the gate. Working on blue sleeves. Working hard. I know it's tough to go right by another dog. Good, Molly.
Good girl.
Okay, you can stop in that shade. Beautiful. I still want to see you connect with her when you're passing other dogs. Specifically ask for some kind of attention. Okay, and here goes Jack.
Yes, good girl.
Good boy, Jack.
Yes.
Good boy. Okay, and you can park in that shade. Perfect. Yay.
The ducks are coming.
And,
What?
There's a duck opportunity.
oh, and a duck opportunity. Plenty of them. Guys, and there's 2 dogs about to pass that your dogs are not familiar with, so because they're not in class, so this will be tougher for them. So do what you need to do. You're working on the sit wait, be proactive, don't wait till they're already eyeballing or pulling toward a dog, right? Good boy,
Why do you
Jack.
want to sit on the surface?
And remember what we talked
Stay.
about, clicking when they look at but
Good.
don't react
Stay.
to another dog.
Stay.
All it takes is eyeballs. Wow, they got a lot of competition
Stay.
for talking about. I know. Good, that was
Stay.
lovely with Jack. He looked and he
Good
didn't react.
girl.
I like that.
Good stay. Good stay. You can make the doggies
First one
pass.
though, but there was a really long pregnant pause there, unless you caught it and clicked it and I didn't hear. He was looking nicely.
girl.
No reaction. That's what I want to click and reward before he gets to this mode. Yes. Yeah. There we go.
Good job. Yes.
Good, that's it, Nancy. Yeah, he's looking and not reacting. That's what I'm rewarding. Good job, buddy. Good job. And that's what I like about the clicker, guys. I know sometimes it can seem like you're trying to manage a lot in your hands, but that way you're very clearly saying that's the thing you just earned chicken for, rather than, like you said, feeling like you're just hand over fisting. If you click the eyeballs on that Westie and bam, there was no reaction, then he knows what he's getting that chicken for. And it's not just sort of random and you're wondering, does he think chicken just falls from the sky? Or is it for a reason? And it's for a reason, you know? Oh, this weather.
You see the ducks, Brad?
Yep, they're congregating.
Plenty of them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yay! How are we doing on time, guys? So, guys, we are going... We're going to head in that direction again. I'm sure we'll encounter more people, possibly dogs, etc. And then we're going to have a different dog
Doing a good job,
introduced
sweetie.
to your dog, and we're going to do that weaving exercise, remember? Probably in a circle. So we have to get back in order to have time for that. So let's head that way.